Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Friday the 4th of April. Non-farm payrolls Friday, and certainly cable could have a significant impact today. I think we're on a little bit of a dollar run at the moment, a slight dollar strengthen over the past couple of days, and that is dragging cable lower as we speak. The 89-day moving average is the basis of support, has been used throughout February and March as the basis of the key lows, so we're still watching out for that 65.11 there, and also the uptrend that was tested on the last correction but never really seriously broken, and to be honest we're right back at that uptrend once more, so it'll be an interesting little test that we're underway at the moment. Slight confession, I have redrawn this flag pattern that could still be a flag going on here on the cable chart, so I'm going to continue to watch out for that, but I'll show you in the on the intraday chart that we are under a little bit of a top pattern downside pressure at the moment, but I'm going to still consider this to be a potential flag pattern on cable on the daily chart, so we'll just watch out for that. On the intraday, as I said, we've completed this head and shoulders top pattern, pretty good one actually, and that gives us a downside target of 65.55, which is round about where that key low that was seen on the 27th of March. So that's an interesting little dual signal there on cable. The 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. I mean, how many times have I mentioned this over the past few weeks? 38.2% Fibonacci retracement was being used as the basis of support, and now it becomes the basis of resistance once more. So that's interesting. That's at 66.03, so we're still watching out for that. The downside support initially comes in at 65.68, but certainly that 65.53 mark will also be the roundabout where that top pattern is targeting. These momentum indicators on the hourly chart have fallen over, so certainly you'd suggest that the downside pressure is still mounting, although we're getting a little bit of consolidation. I think that's non-farm payrolls related, and it does suggest that we could see that throughout this morning's trading, but ultimately after non-farm payrolls you'll probably see further moves. It depends, obviously, in how non-farm payrolls comes out. I think any sort of number around 200,000 would probably still be negative for this cable chart, because it would suggest that the employment situation is still improving in the States, and that is strong for cable. Sorry, that is negative for cable and strong for the dollar. The outlook ultimately, I think, therefore, is for cable weakness on this intraday chart, but the daily chart certainly suggests that a potential flag pattern is still in play, so we're going to continue to monitor this one as it goes, and if this continues to correct lower, you'd certainly think that we're going to be putting pressure on that 89-day moving average, which is currently at 65.11, but at the moment we're in a consolidation pattern in front of non-farm payrolls, but we wait and see how this one plans out. So basically, to summarize, on an intraday basis we've got this pressure to the downside towards 65.50. On the daily chart we're still in this bullish trend on cable, but this bullish trend is being tested. There is, as I said before, the possibility of a flag pattern, so I'm going to still monitor that, but at the moment this bullish trend is being tested, and that push towards 65.50 would again test that bullish trend once more. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.